In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your trade accuracy using just two simple tools, the Quantum Smart tool and the MACD. The MACD is a completely free indicator available on TradingView, while the Quantum Smart tool is a premium system. So, to enjoy the full features and get access on TradingView, make sure you subscribe on the official website shown on the screen. We're currently on the 5-minute chart. Inside the Quantum Smart tool settings, go ahead and change the sensitivity from 2 to 5. You'll get fewer signals, but they'll be much cleaner with way less noise. Okay, so let me break this trade down for you real quick. Right here, we can see that the Quantum Smart tool is giving us a long signal. And the first thing we want to check is the color of the cloud. You can see that the cloud is green, which confirms that we are in a bullish trend. Now, once we've got that green cloud, the next thing we want to do is look at the MACD down here. You'll notice that the MACD line just crossed above the signal line, and the histogram flipped to green. That's a strong sign that momentum is building up in the same direction as the trend. So now we've got confirmation from the cloud, confirmation from the MACD, and we've got a long signal showing right on the chart. That means all our conditions are met, and this is a valid entry. We're going to go ahead and enter at the candle close where the long signal prints. Our stop loss is right below recent structure, which gives the trade room to move. And we've got 3 take-profit targets already laid out. TP1, TP2, and TP3. So if we're looking to manage this trade, we can either take partials at each TP level, or hold for the full move all the way to TP3. So let's see how the trade plays out. All our 3 take-profit position was checked out. The sell trade is the opposite of the buy trade. The Quantum Smart tool prints a sell signal, and we can see the cloud is red, confirming a bearish trend. Then the MACD crosses below the signal line, and the histogram flips red. Solid momentum confirmation. Once all rules are met, we enter a short trade. We place our stop loss just above the marked zone. We then aim for take profit 3 to follow the bearish momentum. This trade would have ended in profit as price continued to drop. And that's it for the Quantum Smart tool and MACD strategy breakdown. Don't forget, you can grab the free PDF trading guide from our website shown on screen. Thank you, and see you in the next video.